The Poco F8 Pro comes 6.59 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display, 120Hz, and Gorilla Glass 7i. Protection. Rear cameras 50 megapixel main plus 50 megapixel telephoto and 8 megapixel ultrawide. With 8K video, 20 megapixel selfie with 1080p video, powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, it runs Android 16 with HyperOS 3. Comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB UFS 4.1 storage, no microSD. Features a 6210 mAh battery with 100-watt charging, measures 8mm thickness and 199g weight. And colors titanium silver, black, and blue. Other includes in-display fingerprint, dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, USB-C, stereo speakers, IR blaster, and IP68 rating. Pricing starts at $529 for the 12 256GB model.